All right, guys. Well, just a little bit of sun breaking through. I start getting hot. Definitely needed as much shade as I can get. This is my first time putting this up, so I hope it's not hard. Way back when, before I had so much land, I always dreamt of doing this. Never really thought I would do it. But yeah, years and years later, here I am putting up my own electrical fence. So yeah, I hope this goes smoothly. This is what I'm working with here. Yep. So I am going to open these boxes up and put it around. I don't know how far exactly it goes. So yeah, just sit tight and watch, guys. All right, guys. Well, I should have opened the box and read the instructions before I started recording, but I got this. And so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, read this further, try to understand it, and then I get back to the video. So give me a minute and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I unboxed the electrical solar box itself, and I just wanted to show you some of the things I did before I start setting up the fence and everything. It was pretty simple, which was great. So let me show you a little of what I did. So here, if you see, they ask you to plant this metal post into the ground, and it's pretty much a fork. So I put it in there without putting the top on, and I stepped on it, so it's nice and firm in there. And on the bottom of this here, as you can see, bad angle. Hold on, let me get a better angle for you guys. Take it off this tripod. Okay. All right. So, like I was saying, so here we put the metal bracket for, I believe, to hold the box stationary, and could be for like a ground for the solar panel itself. And then right underneath here, you can see the groovings. Let me set this here. Groovings here. It slides right in. Then you go and you set the terminals. Set the terminals here. So pretty much you just okay, so you make sure it's nice and tight. And so these are color terminals. This one here is for the positive. Then you have your other one here. Of course, black be for the negative. So they're not set up right now. I did position it so it can get to the sun. This is where I get the most sun, and that's where I got the anchor. And then turn this around, and then it asks me to charge the battery. Now this is a solar battery, so it will charge with the sun, But because I just opened the box, I do want to charge the battery a little bit just to have that extra power when it starts on. And we're like in the midday, so the sun's gonna go down soon, so it's not gonna be like a full charge like it would. So this will actually help it out. Okay, so once that battery's charged, I will put it in here and connect the terminals. The terminals is red and black, so it lets you know what's positive and what's negative. You connect those together and it's all set. It's hot. Now, it came with this tester right here, and so basically it lets you know the voltage of what is shooting out. So before you let your animals in, it's a good thing that you check, make sure it's hot enough to keep them in, because if not, you will be chasing your animals for a while. All right, guys, so let me get back, put the fencing on, and show you everything once I'm done. There you go, guys. The girls and Lincoln, they're all in there. They're relaxing, they're enjoying themselves. The fence is all set up. We have a pretty nice big area for them. With this setup here, we can actually add approximately 2 more of these fences together. So it does hold a lot, which maybe in the later future, after we can get the barn up, hopefully sometime soon, I will definitely look and invest in more in these fences. But here they are, enjoying it. Hey, what are you guys doing? Definitely gotta get some more toys for them. I gotta try to build something. All right, guys. Well, there it goes, the Premier 1 fencing. It works great. And yes, and it actually gives them some room to run around and interact with each other, because I do want them to get used to each other. They are separated for the night, but right now we're just trying to put them together little by little but surely. Yeah, now to build a little barn for them so they can be able to stay inside at night. And that will be coming up soon, so look forward on me building their little barn in the next video or two. So I'll see you guys later. God bless. Take care.